You've never heard of this before, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia, where neon lava pools glow under a sulfurous sky. This place is one of the most interesting natural wonders in the world, a geological furnace formed by spreading tectonics. Deserts of ash and salt birth bizarre color pools, while mineral vapors sculpt surreal terraces and rainbow halos. Deep beneath, lava canals feed the surface with constant eruptions, a choreography that scientists still struggle to predict. This natural phenomenon even surprises scientists, yet reveals a planet of extreme chemistry and resilient life forms thriving in acid.